guys, Ethan here again with Country Camper. Today we're going to be going over the operation of your ranges inside your travel trailers, your fifth wheels, your motor homes. We're just going to kind of get down to the basics of lighting your burners and getting your oven going. So let's get started. So this is a Furrion cooktop. It has a glass top that'll fold up when in use. When you're not using it and traveling, you want to make sure that it's folded down so you don't risk it breaking on you. On the right here, you have an accent light switch for your knobs. When you put it down, it's going to turn your oven light on as well. So if you were to flip it all the way up, oven light's going to stay off, and that's a great source for a night light. You have your igniter, left burner, center burner, right burner, and then your oven control knob. So this is going to do your full burner and your pilot as well. Lighting it up close, we can start with the center burner. You'll turn that to the flame and then just hit the igniter, and it's going to do it all for you. So lighting the oven, you're going to turn the knob to the flame. You're going to make sure it's pressed in. And then you're going to come over to this igniter knob. Go ahead and spark that a couple times and go until you see your pilot light engage. So going, it'll go flame. You'll ignite it. You'll see your flame light. And then you can adjust it to your temperature. To light the Suburban, you're going to turn it to the pilot. You're going to press it in. You're going to take your grill lighter, go to your burner, and light your pilot. So again, we'll take it, turn it to pilot, press it in, take your grill lighter, go back to the pilot, make sure it's lit, and then you can take your temperature and set it to wherever you need it.